Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to always open Google Chrome in guest mode on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you want Chrome to open directly in guest mode every time, this method will help you browse privately without saving history, cookies or any personal data. So let's get started. First, close Google Chrome if it is already open. After that, click on the start button and then search here Chrome. Then right click on the Chrome and select here open file location. Now right click on the Chrome and here choose send to and then click on the desktop create shortcut option. Now go to your desktop and locate the Google Chrome shortcut. Right click on it and select properties. In the properties window, make sure you are in the shortcut tab. Here you will notice a field that is called target. Go to the end of the target, put one space, then hyphen, again hyphen, and then type here guest. After that, click on the apply, then click on the OK. That's it. Now whenever you open Chrome using this one shortcut, it will always start in guest mode. As you can see on the top right corner, guest is written. You will notice that Chrome opens without your profiles and no browsing data will be saved after closing the window. If you want to open Chrome normally, you can still use the original shortcut or open it from the start menu. This is the simple and effective way to ensure private browsing every time you open Chrome. So that's how you can always open Google Chrome in guest mode on Windows 11 or Windows 10. In case you want to pin this shortcut to the taskbar, right click on it and here you will find an option. Pin to taskbar, click on this. You can, from now onwards, you can open guest profile from this taskbar icon also. That's all about this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.